In the beginning, there was nothing at all. So I got a video camera, switched it on, and uploaded some videos of my tree car collection.
Welcome to the Perfection Selection, a Cream of Cards TV.
An obvious forerunner of the first-person shooter games that have become a staple of the digital era. I found this old magazine cutting that appears to feature the precursor to the video game and shoot-'em-ups that we're so familiar with today. I felt like Indiana Jones finding the Holy Grail gathering dust on eBay. And yet there is hardly anything about the simple idea of players shooting live rounds at a cinema screen on the internet, even though technology giants constantly remind us of the virtues of simple design and thinking outside the box in their cringy advertising. Anyway, I uploaded a short video about this visionary game way back in 2015. It's a bit boring if you just upload stuff that everybody agrees with all the time. It's much more fun turning things upside down and defying expectations. I was really chuffed when one of my viewers, Malk of Lincoln, attempted to recreate a simplified version of it. And then just a few years later, a scientific paper surfaced on the subject by Professor Michael Cohen. When I say paper, it's more like 24 pages, a pamphlet. I've put a link in the description, but I think some of the key points are: an obvious forerunner of the first-person shooter games that have become a staple of the digital era. So you would think that it would have pride of place in a video game museum somewhere. Though few, if any, of these devices survive today, print records suggest that ideas for the cinematic shooting gallery are nearly as old as cinema itself. And here's a bit that Malk of Lincoln might be particularly interested in. Stopping a projector was a dangerous undertaking in cinema's early decades on account of film's flammability. The cinematic shooting gallery overcame this obstacle by incorporating canisters of frigid air, which was blown directly onto the film for the duration of the pause. Thank you for watching my video, and please feel free to leave a comment and feedback. Please don't forget to read the full article by Professor Michael Cohen by clicking on the link in the description, and here are some other videos you might want to click on, including my 2015 original one and also Malk of Lincoln's.